We just came out of the COVID-19 pandemic. 2020 has been a tough year and we don't know what the future holds. Millions of jobs have been lost or furloughed and we have to transition to new and different careers. To address this issue, here are 8 things you should do to reinvent yourself in 2021. Number 1, get a vision board or goal planner to set goals for yourself. A well-known actor shared that he created his world and then he walked into it. Visualize your goals. Number 2, be intentional with your time. Everything you do should correlate with your vision board or your goals that you have written down in your goal planner. Is hanging out with your friends or accepting invitations to parties benefiting you in the long run? Could that time be spent completing one of your goals? We're in a crucial time of our lives now due to COVID. Some of us have families to support and kids to take care of. Even if you're single, you have expenses and commitments. What we trusted in and relied on before to sustain ourselves is no longer a guarantee. So we have to subsidize our income or replace our lost income. We have to be intentional with our time and what we do. Unless you need to do research, find pictures, videos, or you're a content creator, don't spend so much time on social media if it's not on your vision board or part of your goals. Cut down on the amount of time you spend watching TV during the week. Relax and unwind during the weekends and revisit your goals and vision board on Sundays to begin each week. Number 3, learn a new skill or teach yourself something new. Skills like coding, data analytics, machine learning, cybersecurity, and cloud computing are some of the skills that are in high demand. Number 4, the world is going digital, so find ways to make money online. If there's one thing that COVID-19 has taught us in 2020, is that the safety net that we always thought was secure is not. We went to school to get degrees to have the secure jobs and to be financially stable, but COVID came and cut that safety net right out from under us, and we don't know what to do. We were blindsided, lost, and confused. We didn't know what happened. It was like we got punched in the mouth by Mike Tyson. Everybody has a plan until they are knocked down or knocked out. What are you going to do? Are you going to stay down at the 8 count or are you going to get back up? Number 5, look at what's in your house. What do you have in your house that can make you money? You may have something in your house that can make you money, like your smartphone. Some smartphones are just as good or even better than some professional cameras. The cameras on smartphones has made everyone a professional photographer these days. Use your smartphone to take pictures of nature, animals, bugs, insects, the ocean, landscapes, buildings, people. You can even record videos and upload them and the photos on stock websites. Every time someone downloads your video or picture, you get a commission. Do you have a musical instrument in your house? A keyboard, a guitar, or a saxophone? You can connect these instruments to your computer and create music or beats or ringtones and upload them to music sites and sell them or get commissions with each download. Is there anything in your house that you don't want or need? Then take pictures of them and post them on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, or Facebook to sell. Number 6, if you're an expert in a particular field, you have something to offer. Create an online course. You can be one of the very persons to help people to learn a new skill. So get to work putting together a lesson plan and become an online instructor or a coach. Number 7, whatever you had in mind to do or whatever you always wanted to do, now is the time to do it. Do you have a lot to say? Create a podcast. Are you passionate about something? Become a blogger. Are you good at doing something? Maybe you have a hobby. Maybe you're a great cook. Maybe you like gardening. Or maybe you've received many compliments on your flawless makeup. Whip out your smartphone, create videos, get a YouTube channel, and upload those videos. Number 8, do you buy lots of stuff online? Then review those products, make recommendations, and join the manufacturers or Amazon's affiliate program to earn commissions. As of 2021, Amazon's US e-commerce market share is estimated at a whopping 50%, with earnings of around $600 billion annually. This means there's lots of room to earn commissions. There you have it. the 8 ways to reinvent yourself in 2021. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button, like our video, and click the bell to receive updates on our new videos. See you in our next video.